National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lafayette County in Big Bend, Florida, northeastern Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Madison to 11 miles south of Perry, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vail, Madison, Perry, Lee, Finland, Hamburg, Buckville, Bonetta, Deco Beach, Foley, Henson, Perry Foley Airport, San Pedro Junction, Mosley Hall, Boyd, Smith, Hopewell, Cherry Lake, and Carver. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Big Bend, Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Florida: Madison and Taylor. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KIE.
Time to use my tactic again. Where's my weapon? Guess I'll just have to use this. Perfect. Hallelujah.